Our journey starts over with the Ahrefs keyword generator, and we need to generate keywords for our website. So for this example, we are using the cleaning niche, and we're going to be generating content using AI. So we're going to go over here. We find a keyword with decent competition. So removing mode from the bathroom ceiling, we can go with that, but I found one already to make the video as short as possible. Next is we're going to head over to the keyword Ahrefs, the Ahrefs keyword difficulty checker tool, and we enter our keyword, which is how to remove mold from the car interior. To do that, we enter the keyword and we hit on check keyword difficulty right there. Ensure it's set to the United States, or you can choose a specific country if you wish. Now this is easy to rank for with some smaller weaker sites as well, so that means we can get onto the first page of Google with decent content. Now next is we're going to load up the Hemingway app, and this allows us to write readable content, and it will give you a grade depending on how readable your content is. So we'll enter our title in here and we choose the H1 heading right here. The tool we're going to be using is Rytr. I'll leave a link to this in the description of this very video. Hit on the link and you should go and sign up for the free account. You can also get the paid plan. I get paid if you sign up for those as well. So hit on free and you can start for free, and you get up to 5,000 characters every single month. To start writing is very simple. Simply hit on start writing right here. Next is we're going to head over to Google and we enter our keywords. For this example is how to remove mold from the car interior. We enter the keyword, then we scroll over to the people also ask box. We hit on these suggestions to help Google give us more ideas on keywords we can add in as our subheadings. We can also scroll down at the bottom of the search results right here to get more suggestions, as I have done right here. I found some keywords that are related to removing mold in a car, such as removing mold from the car seats, from the car carpet, car window trim, and removing and why mold is growing in their cars. So these are related keywords to the keyword we want to target. So to write the content, we simply enter it in here, and you can choose header 1 or header 2. So since these are going to be heading 2, we can select them like so, and we choose on H2 right here. Now to generate the content, simply write the keyword, simply enter the keywords in here, and in the left select your language like English and select the informative tone, but there are other tones you can choose as well. Next, select the blog section writing. Don't select the blog idea or outline, simply select the blog section or write the blog content, but you can also use other tools. I'll make videos to follow up this as well on how to use each of these tools. Next, we shall enter the section topics we want to write. You can enter 2 or more, 2 or 3 depending on the 125 characters you want to write. Next, we shall enter the section keywords here as well, such as remove mold from the car interior, remove mold from the car carpet, and remove mold itself. So then we shall select the number of variants you want. Next is select the creativity level you want. Go for optimal, so select other levels you want. The first option is very simple. You can simply highlight each heading and hit on paragraph right here. Now as you can see, this has given us a very good starting point. Mold is a common problem in cars. Mold is usually found in the interior of the vehicle, such as carpet seats. This can be an introduction. Remember, this is our H1 in Hemingway, so we're going to be using the paragraph right below that as the introduction, and then we shall move on to remove mold from the car carpet. So we select the next paragraph like so, and we hit on paragraph once again. If you don't like that, you can hit on improve, rephrase, or you can do other commands as well. It is 100% easy to write content with Rytr, and you can get a free plan using the link in the description once again. So this is how easy it is to generate content. So you would hit on the next paragraph like so, and hit on paragraph once again. So that's it for this video. This is how easy it is to generate content using AI tools. I'll leave a link to this tool as well in the description and in the pinned comment as well. Check it out. It's a very good tool. You can start for free. You don't even need to upgrade.